Hi guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I got a new hairdo. I posted a picture on Instagram. I hope you guys saw it. But this is pretty much the summer twist that I had before. I just unraveled it a little bit and crocheted it back in, and it's giving me life. It's a little bit crazy, but that's what I was going for. A couple weeks ago, I mainly went to the stores to look for like warmer clothing, but I ended up buying some other items. How does that happen? Anyway, okay, so let's get started. These are not in any order, and I do have a try on portion at the end of the video. Yeah, let's get started. So I was watching a YouTuber who talked about this product that I'm gonna bring up, and pretty much you guys know I love my CeraVe, I love my snail mucin and all that stuff, but they're both kind of pricey. The snail mucin was like $20, and the CeraVe is about $14. I'm cheap. I'm trying to be on a budget. I don't want to be buying products that are really expensive all the time. I want to have products that are kind of like, you know, the whole minimalistic thing. I don't really want to spend a lot of money on a lot of stuff. As I'm getting older, I really want things that work, things that don't cost a lot, and things that I know that are like been there for years. So Pond's has been there for years. I think I remember trying Pond's in my teens, and for some reason I stopped using it. I don't know what it was that happened with it. But I saw a YouTuber, this black YouTuber, that mentioned that she loves it, and I actually went there and I was like, I'm gonna get that because it was only $9. So this is it. This is the extra dry skin cream facial moisturizer. This is awesome. It really does help with moisturizing your skin. It doesn't sink in as well as CeraVe, but it does moisturize for what I need it for, especially for winter. It's way thicker. The smell is a bit strong, but it's okay. Pond's has been there for years. A lot of people have used it. Probably your mom or somebody you know at some point was using it. But it is a product that's kind of thick. It's kind of thick. So you have to keep that in mind. It does feel like it's sitting a little bit on top of your skin, but for me it's okay. I can deal with it. So yeah, $9. I really like this. I wanted to share with you guys. The next product that I got is the St. Ives Soothing Body Lotion with Rose and Argan Oil. This guy right here. I have a lot of my body butters. I have my lotions and stuff like that. But I do try to buy like good moisturizer in bigger jars that I can always use that are not too expensive. So this is the one I had before. These I love so much. It does last like 2 days when you put it on, and stuff like that. But its smell is kind of not there, and I don't like it too much. But it does work really well if you have extra dry skin. So I went on looking for something that smells a little bit better, and this does that. It just leaves your skin like with a silky, smooth, and it has a lot of it doesn't have a lot of the parabens and all the bad, you know, the bad ingredients. It's 100% natural moisturizer. So the Rose and Argan Oil is not too strong. So if you're looking for moisturizer for every day that leaves your skin really feeling moisturized and silky, this really did the trick for me. Oh, excuse me. Okay, hold on, Pookies.
You taking the picture, the wash it?
Okay, hold on. Okay guys, the next product that I really love, I'm wearing them right now. These are the hoop earrings. This size is okay for me since I'm a woman of a particular age now. I try to not wear the big ones that I used to wear back in my 20s and my teen days. So this is the next size that I can do. But I've loved hoops for years. I think they always go with everything. They're chic. Some people have issues with and try colors that are usually I'm like, ugh. Because it's just, I'm really trying to be brave about certain things now. Like, you know, this craziness right here is something I would be a little bit like, I gotta tone it down a little bit, but it's fine. I love it. It's big and it's poofy, and that's the look I was going for. So yeah, I'm trying to be more brave and trying color and stuff like that. Okay, the last thing that I got, I am so excited about. I'm really excited about it. My handbag that I've had for years is breaking apart. Like, it looks really bad. Really, really bad. My mom bag. Yeah, it's messed up. So I need another bag. So I went to Burlington and came across this guy. Yes, it's so sleek. It goes with everything. It has a shoulder strap and it's pretty big. It holds so much stuff. Yeah, so I love it so much, and it pretty much closes. You can zip it up or close it here. And the reason I really love this bag is just because it can carry all my stuff and then maybe a snack or two and wipes. Oh, this lighting. It pretty much holds all my stuff. I can have my son's stuff in here, and you can wipe it down, you know, during this time, you know, you want to sanitize your stuff. And I really, really like it. I got this for, I think, $16 at Burlington. I think the price was supposed to be higher, but it was on sale. So I've just really been rocking this and like carrying. You guys will see it in the video when I have it on. But it holds everything. Like I could just reach in there and grab what I need. It has the pockets, one zippered pocket on the inside, one on the outside here, and then two areas for putting like a cell phone, pens, and stuff like that that you need. So far I'm really happy, and it was time for me to get another bag. Like it was just time. So if you have like a laptop, that's another thing I was gonna say. Like sometimes I carry my laptop with me and to edit my videos and stuff like that on the go. So that's really perfect. I just put it in there and it fits really well. And it feels really sturdy when I have it on my shoulder. The only thing I wish you had another strap that was a little bit shorter that you can hang on your arm right here, but that's okay. I just put it on my arm like this, and you just look like a woman who is settled and you're minding your own business, and you're like, out of my way, I gotta go. Put on your shades and just kidding, but really it's the other way. It's like a busy mom like running around, you know. It's like, you know. But anyway, so that's pretty much all the items that I got. I was really shopping with a lot of things in mind that I needed, not so much what I wanted. I'm trying to really be, you know, having a list when I go to stores now. I try to not to buy things that won't work with other items that I already have in my closet. I try to really look at things that will work for me in the long run. You know, like I said, I love my CeraVe, for example, but this lotion works just as well. So yeah, I just had to do it at like $14 every couple months. Like that's kind of high. $10, okay, I could deal with that. I don't know if they're the same size though. I think the other one was smaller. This is really bigger, and I've noticed like it just, well, I have a little bit of makeup on, so it's hard to say. But anyway, I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are hanging in there. I know Christmas is gonna be a little different this year, but you know what? We pray, and you know, we just hope that it gets better. Things will never be normal again, I don't believe, but we pray for strength and all that stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
A chip spicy and a chip